Students, here we go for the next problem. From each corner of a square of a side 4 centimeter. So square side is 4 centimeter. Let me write. Square side is equal to 4 centimeter. Quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter. So quadrant circle is cut. So how many quadrants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Quadrant of radius 1 centimeter is cutted, and also we don't need the angle. We know that is a 90 degree. Let me see whether we have to use the angle or not. And also a circle of diameter 2 centimeters cut in this. So circle is given in between. Circle diameter is given 2 centimeter and radius will become the same 1 centimeter. It's cut as shown in figure, just cutted. And the area of remaining part of the square. So this is cutted, this 4 quadrant is cutted from the square, and also this circle. That means cut means we have to subtract. So if the radius are different, then we have to represent as R1 and R2. Here the radius are same, so I am going to represent same as the R. So area of remaining portion is equal to first the area of the square. Area of square, with that square we are going to subtract this area of circle and area of the 4 quadrant. So area of the square is side into side, that is 4 into 4 minus area of the circle is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7, r square is 1 square, 1 into 1 minus 4 quadrant, right? So 4 into quadrant is 1 by 4 into pi is same 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. So this 4 and 4 will be get cancelled, and here it's a 4 4s are 16 minus 22 by 7 minus 22 by 7. Clear? So now we have to, this is already LCM is there. So 16 minus 22 minus 22 to minus 44 by 7. Now let me take an LCM. It will become 112 minus 44 by 7, which is equal to 68 by 7 centimeter square. So if you divide, I think it will go more decimal. So let me stop here. 68 by 7 is the required centimeter area here. Since what are the region as cutted, we are subtracted. That's it. So here we go for the next problem. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving a equilateral triangle ABC. So it's leaving the equilateral triangle ABC. Design is formed in the middle. So equilateral triangle is in the middle. Find the area of the design. To find the area of the design, it is like an segment. To find the segment, we need a radius and the angle, and we have to multiply into 3. Otherwise, another way is that we can find the area of this whole circle minus area of the equilateral triangle. So let me go into try with this. So it is given the radius as a 32 centimeter. Let me draw the radius from here. So if you are using the equilateral triangle, we need as a sides of the equilateral triangle, right? We know only this this side. We don't know the triangle side, but we can find using this. This total angle is 360, so each will be a 120 degree, right? And let me drop the perpendicular from here, so it will be 90 degree, and it will split it into an equal angle 60 degree. So now using the trigonometric, we can find this side. So let me call this point as a D. So if you find this cuts into equal half, it will be a similar congruent triangle, and thus, so if you find this side and we add this, both will be the same, then we can find one side of the triangle. So now what is this? This is 60 degree, and we have a hypotenuse, and we need to find the opposite. So hypotenuse opposite forms by a sine, right? So sine 60 degree is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 60 is square root of 3 by 2 is equal to opposite is the what we have to find, that is a DC, divided by hypotenuse is a 32. So we will take 32 here. 32 square root of 3 by 2 is equal to DC, and it is for 16. So DC is equal to 16 square root of 3. Then what about BC? It's 2 times, right? So BC is equal to 2 into 16 square root of 3, which is equal to 32 square root of 3. So now we are going to say that the area of the circle minus this equilateral triangle will be the design, right? Area of design. Area of design is equal to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. Clear? So area of the circle is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r, that's the radius is given already, 32 centimeter. 32 into 32 minus here square root of 3 by 4 into r square is a, here the side of the quadrilateral, it's a triangle, this is the side of triangle, right? So into 32 square root of 3 into 32 square root of 3. So 4 and 32 can be cancelled by 8 times. Here nothing is going to cancel. So 32 into 32 into 22 will be getting as a 22,528 divided by 7 minus square root of 3 into square root of 3 will be 3. So 3 into 8 into 32 will become 768 into square root of 3. So it will be irrational, so we can stop here. This will be the area of the design. So here we go for the next problem. In figure ABCD, let me name it. Foot of square of side 14 centimeters. So side is given 14 centimeter. With the center ABCD, the 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally to the remaining 3 circles. So find the area of the shade. So you can see that, so this circle A is touch this circle that drawn from the D and B, and here this B is touch here and here, so it touches each, right? So we have to find the shade of the region. So just to look only to the square, it's like in a 4 quadrant is removed, right? So that's enough. So from the entire square, the 4 quadrant is removed. We don't want to consider this circle, the full circle, because outside is not we are going to consider, right? So inside we can see it is like a quadrant, and we know we need the radius, right? So radius will be the side, full side is 14 centimeter, then half is the radius, so radius will be the 7. So area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of how many quadrant? 4 quadrant. 4 quadrant. So area of square is a side into side, that is 14 into 14 minus 4 quadrant is a 4 into quadrant is 1/4 of the circle, right? By r square. Let me substitute in the next step. 196 minus 4 get cancelled. Pi is a 22 by 7 into r is a 7. So 7 into 7. So 7 get cancelled. 196 minus 22 into 7 is a 154. And 196 minus 154 will be is equal to 42 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region is 42 centimeter square. Just from the square we cut at the 4 quadrant, which is formed by the circle. Yeah, thank you.